Hi guys, this is Jan. Saving with Cheryl That Girl. Just giving you a taste of what's to come with all this green. I'm going back into the forest, guys, to bring you my green tablescape. And see, you have to just keep climbing and keep walking and keep walking, guys. Here we go. And sometimes you just have to have peace of mind, guys. Look at all the greenery around you. From the grass to the leaves to the green trees, guys. And takes me back to the palm trees, guys. Just get ready. There we go. This is Jan. See you later, friends. Love ya.